How do you rate the, so you know the characteristics, right? Adaptability in apartment, tolerance of cold, tolerance of hot weather. There are different characteristics for which I have given you different text, right? I'll tell you which elements to pick basis the ratings of the dog. For example, let's pick any dog breed. Let's pick up Akbash. So what is the adaptability in living in apartments? It's 1 star. Oh, so it's bad in a way. So I'll tell you what to pick. So for example, if you're writing this text, copy pasting this text to your text to speech editor, adaptability in apartments, this dog breed has a, now what will you choose? Good, average, bad. One out of these three you need to choose. Okay. So I'll tell you how to decide which one to pick. So if the ratings are 1 star or 2 star, then you need to pick bad. If the rating is 3 star, then you have to pick average. And the rating is 4 or 5 star, either of the two, then you need to pick good. Okay. So in this case it's 1 star, so we'll pick bad here. So this dog breed has a bad adaptability in apartments. Okay. I will rate it. So how much? What was the rating? It was 1 star. So we'll remove 3 and put 1 here. Obviously, without these, we'll remove these arrows when we are putting it in text editor. Please do remove the arrows, otherwise it will skip the text. Okay. Right now I am putting them back because I wanted to tell you that these things needs to be changed when you're putting when you're changing the text for every dog. But when you're copy pasting this, you need to remove all these arrows. For example, if it's 1, it will go like this. I will rate it 1 out of 5 for its adaptability, right? Okay. And either be here also we'll remove the stars, we'll put it as bad. Okay. So has a bad adaptability, 1 out of 5 stars for adaptability and living in an apartment. If you are preparing to adopt this breed for your apartment, then which one of the two will you choose? Be aware that this might not adapt well in apartment, or there is another one, don't worry, this breed will adapt very well in an apartment. Which one would you choose? So I'll tell you how to choose. So in every characteristic there are two areas where you need to choose. One is the starting, wherein you need to choose whether it's a good, average or bad, and this at the end of the characteristic you need to choose. So if it's star as 1 or 2, then you should say be aware that this breed is not adaptable in an apartment, which is like might not adapt well in an apartment. If ratings are 3, 4, 5, then you need to choose don't worry, this breed will adapt very well in an apartment. So if you have 3, 4 or 5 ratings, we will talk positive about this dog in this characteristic. If the rating is 1 or 2, we'll talk negative about this breed for this characteristic. Now let me give you another example. Tolerance to cold weather. Now what is the tolerance to cold weather of Akbash? Tolerance to cold weather, it's 4 stars. So okay, so let's see how will we decide what to pick. So tolerance to cold weather, this dog has a, now what will you choose? Good, average, bad. It has 4 stars. So since it has 4 stars, we'll say good, right? It can be 4 or 5, we'll choose good in both the circumstances. So we'll say this dog breed has a good tolerance to weather. So let's remove everything here. Okay. Give space between good and tolerance. Good tolerance. I will rate it, now remove this. I'll rate it 4 out of 5 for its tolerance to cold. If you stay at a place which has predominant cold weather, then you can adopt or should not adopt. Which one should we pick? It's 4 stars, right? So we should talk about positive. It's a positive thing, so we should talk positive. So we'll say then you can adopt, right? Should not adopt will be negative, right? So we'll say can adopt. So that's why I've written it 3, 4, 5 ratings are positive, so we'll need to choose can adopt. If it's 1 or 2 star rating, then we should select should not adopt. So we'll remove these arrows here, remove this text as well, negative text, and then copy paste it from here to here. Don't copy paste the characteristic too, only this part, and put it in that text and generate the audio. Okay, I hope you understand now how to select the fields in the text while creating text to voice audio file. Okay.